Hi, my name is Shelon Lazelle, and I have known David Thompson for about 2 years and been a part of the TAMA group for about 2 years now. And what I like the most about David is his care for his students. He very much is involved with his students, but he very much cares about their success and, just getting them to that next level. The TAMA group is amazing. We have actors roundtable on Fridays, and that has been so helpful. The wealth of knowledge that is shared during that time is it's incredible and it's priceless. David's techniques that he uses, he pushes us to come out of our shells, but not in a way that is too aggressive. He's very much gentle in his techniques and how he helps us to see things from a different perspective, whether that is a different technique to use or just a different kind of scenario for the scene that we are studying. So I can appreciate that from him and his experience that he has, whether it's theater, whether it is film, TV. If you are looking for a coach for those types of genres, David very much has the skill and experience to do that for you. So I am grateful to him for just not only his teaching and coaching, but also for the connections that I've made as well.